Hi, hello, welcome to Geology classes. Today we are back with one more question on accounting for issue of shares. Okay, so in that what we have done, first video I have showed you what is the format journals for issue of shares, and then in this video, second video you learned how to write the journals when there is discount, premium and issued at par. Okay, and all the calls were paid. Okay, so in this question what we are doing, yeah, they have issued the shares at par. Okay, all the calls were called, but some of them have not paid. Some of them have not paid. When they have not paid, you have to forfeit those shares. Okay, how do you do that? How do you write the journals? That we are learning here. Okay, we will take those shares and we will be reissuing them with the little bit less price. Okay, that is what we do in the forfeiture. Okay, so now when you did the forfeiture, that time whether you got the profit or loss, if it comes, what to do, where will you show, everything we are learning in this. Okay, let's start. Okay, first let us check the question. We are having total 10,000 equity shares. What is the price of them? 100 rupees each. Okay, on the application 20, allotment 30, first and final call 50. Okay, in that all were subscribed and all were paid, but 1,000 shares were not. The person who is holding 1,000 shares, he didn't pay the first and final call. So they have forfeited those shares and they have reissued to the someone else with a price of rupees 80. That is the question. Okay, so for till here everything is same. Till due of first and final call, all the shares, all the journals were same. There will not be any change in that. But only when it comes to the payment or receipt of first and final call, from there you will be receiving the, or you will be finding the new journals. Okay, so let us do this one fast. First journal you will be writing for the receiving application money. Right? So what is the journal? Already we have done. Once again I will explain you. Bank account data to equity share application account. What is the amount? 10,000 shares with the price of 20. So 10,000 into 20, you will get 2 lakhs. Here also 2 lakhs. So the narration being application amount received. Being application amount received. And then the second journal you are writing for transferring the application amount to the capital. Okay. So the second journal will be equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. So what we did here, being application amount transferred. Being application amount transferred. Okay. What is the amount? There is no new amounts. Whatever is the application amount you receive, the total amount will be transferred. So we will write down here 2 lakhs. Okay. Now application amount you have received, you transferred that to the capital. Now we have to inform there is an allotment due. Okay, so now let's write down for the allotment due. Equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. Being allotment due. What is the amount? 30 rupees with 10,000 shares, right? So 10,000 into 30, you will get 3 lakhs. Is there any call scenarios in allotment? No, we don't have, only in the first and final call. So you can write on the direct journal here. So when you receive the amount, bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. Being allotment amount received. We have received that allotment amount. Being allotment amount received. Okay, what is the amount? Again, this is not the new amount, 3 lakhs only. Okay, now the next journal for first and final call due. So this one also same, there is no change in that. Check the old videos, the same procedure only we have followed. Okay, so now the fifth journal for first and final call due. Equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Okay, being first and final call amount due. What is the amount? Total 10,000. What is the share? What is the value? 50 rupees. So 10,000 into 50, you will get 5 lakhs. Is it? It is 5 lakhs. Now, for receiving the amount, do you receive the total amount? No. 1,000 shares we have not received. That means you have received only 9,000 shares. Right? We have received only the amount of 9,000 shares. Right? 1,000 we have not received. There are different methods to do this one. Number 1, you can call it as the amount which you have not received, that can be treated as calls in arrears. That is called at calls in arrears. So you have called it as calls in arrears and you can show, or else what is the amount exactly you have received, only that you can write. Any method you can follow. Okay. So let's see the journal. Sixth one. Bank account debtor calls in arrears account debtor to equity share first and final call account. Being first and final call amount received. How many shares we didn't receive? Except 1,000 shares. Got it? So now when you are writing the amount, how many shares we have received? Amount 9,000 into 50. Then you will get 4,50,000. Okay? How much you have not received? 1,000 shares you didn't receive. 1,000 into 50, it will be 50,000. Then the total 5 lakhs. Okay? Some of the textbooks, what they do? They will not show this calls in arrears account. Okay? Once again, I will explain first this journal. Bank account, the amount which you have received. Only 9,000 shares we have received. 9,000 into 50, 4,50,000. What is the amount you have not received? It is a loss, right? Calls in arrears you have not received. So, calls in arrears account, 1,000 shares into 50 rupees, it is 50,000. Total 5 lakhs. Or else, there are some books, they show only what is the amount you have received. They will not be showing the calls in arrears. So, that time, this will be showing like this. Bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account. Okay. So, this is how journal comes. When you are writing the narration, you will mention here why you received the less amount. Why? Because 1,000 shares were not made the payment. Okay. First to copy this one. Then we have continuation of forfeiture of these 1,000 shares. Okay. Continuation you have to write. I don't have place. So I have to rub this one and then I will be writing the next part. Okay. Please copy this one fast. Very fast. Take the screenshot or copy it. Done? Fine. Now let us move on to the next journal. So the seventh one you are writing for the forfeiture of shares. Okay. So in this you must know, you will be having the journals on top of that, so you can check that one. Okay. How much they have paid, how much is the due, everything you have to show here. Okay. Yes. I think now I made it colorful. Okay. Now, seventh journal. Seventh journal you are writing. Okay. For forfeiture of shares. Equity share capital account. Equity share capital account debtor to forfeiture shares account. Okay. And which one you have not received? We didn't receive the first and final call amount, right? So, if it is allotment also they didn't make the payment, allotment also you have to mention. What they have not paid, that we will be showing after forfeiture of shares. Okay. So, now here equity share first and final call account. Okay. What is the total payment? 1000. What is the cost? 100. Then it should be 1 lakh. Is it? What all they paid? They paid the application, they paid the allotment. So both of them they made the payment, right? So 1000 into 50. How much? 50,000 they have paid. What is the amount they have not paid? First and final call amount they have not paid. That is again 1000 into 50. That's it. Okay, once again, equity share capital account. What is the total price of these 1000 shares? And after that, forfeited shares account. Okay, in that, how much they have paid. And again, what is the call or allotment or application? Application cannot be possible because after paying the application only we will allot to them. Some of them may miss allotment amount and some of them may miss allotment and first and final call. Okay, whatever they have not made the payment, that we will be showing here. Okay, when you are writing the narration, being forfeiture of shares for non-payment of first and final call. For non-payment of first and final call. Okay, once again, equity share capital account. What is the total price of the shares? 100 rupees. You have shown total 1 lakh, right? Now here forfeited shares account. What is the amount they have paid? In the first journal you will be writing what is the amount they have paid. And the next transaction, next credit is what is the amount they have not paid, that you have to show. Now for the reissue of shares. Okay, reissue of shares. When you reissue the shares, here again you will not have application, allotment, first and final call will not be there. Directly they will make the total payment. Okay, so when we are doing this one, bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Okay, bank account debtor, if they reissue with the total amount, then same 100 rupees, then no issues. You may not get this forfeited shares. Okay, but here they have reissued only for 80 rupees. Correct? So only we got reissue, in that also forfeited shares. Okay, so now let us see bank. How much they have paid? 1000 shares into 80 rupees they have paid. Then 80,000 and then forfeited shares. What is the actual price? 1000 into 100. That means 1 lakh. So how much they have not paid? 20 rupees they have not paid. So 20,000 is the due. Okay, clear? That means it can be loss according to them. Let us see really they got loss or profit. Okay, so now once again, bank account data, that means how much they have received on reissue. 1000 into what is the amount? 80. Okay, what is the actual price? 100. That means how much they have not received, that is 20. So that you are showing in the forfeited of shares. In this journal, what you have received, that shown in the credit side. Here what you have not received, we have shown in the debit side. Okay, being reissue of forfeited shares. Now tell me, they got the profit or loss? What is they got? They got the profit or loss. Total, they have paid earlier 50 rupees. And again now they have paid 80 rupees. 50 rupees they paid earlier, 80 rupees they have paid. So total how much they paid? 130. Right? What is the actual value of the shares? 100. Now it is profit or loss? 30 rupees extra you got. Is it? Okay. So now we have to show that one. We will be transferring this 30 extra to the reserve. Okay. Now forfeited shares account. Forfeited shares account data to general reserve account. Being balance amount transferred to reserve. Okay. Balance amount have transferred to reserve. Okay. How to find the amount? 30 rupees is extra you got. So 1000 into 30. How much you will get? 30,000. And see here, there are so many methods to do this one. Some of them what they will do, check both the forfeitures, subtract both of them. Here forfeiture is 80,000, here forfeiture is 50,000. When you subtract both of them, then you will get 30,000. That is the extra amount. Okay, fine. If you don't know how you got this amount, 1000 shares were forfeited, but only 500 were reissued. If you subtract, will you get the correct amount? You will not get, right? So you must know how this 30,000 has come. Don't blindly going with 80,000 minus 50,000 that you got 30,000. Okay, answer is correct. But in the next question, they have forfeited total 1000 shares, but they have reissued only 500 shares. Will you get the correct answer? You will not get the correct answer. So only you must know why you have transferred. Okay, once again I will explain. How much they have received in the earlier, before doing the forfeiture, that time we have received 50 rupees. And again in the reissue you have received 80 rupees. So total you have received 130 rupees. Right? So 130 rupees you have received. What is the price of the equity shares? It is 100. So what is the extra amount? That is 30,000. So that 30,000, 30 rupees into 1000 shares. So that 30,000 have transferred to the reserve. Okay. First copy this one, and then I would like to tell you something. Please take the screenshot or copy it, pass it, whatever you want. Clear? Done? Fine. Now, sometimes applications we have issued 10,000 shares. You may receive 12,000 applications. So that time what we will do? Do we allot to everyone? Okay, what we do, we don't know, right? So such kind of questions we will be doing in the next video. Okay, and one more thing. I said you may have premium, you may have discount. Here only we have issued at par. When you have issued at par, okay, finally you have done whatever method you have to follow. If at all you have issued at premium or you have issued at discount, that time how do you calculate this forfeiture part? That we will do in the next videos. Okay. So till then what will you do? Please share this video to your friends who and all required are trying to learn this topic. When they are not understanding, please share this video. Okay. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.